Hey guys, my name is Rihanna and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from the Leeven store on Amazon. It comes in this packaging and it comes with 6 packs of hair. And in each pack of hair is 21 strands. This is their ombre brown wavy goddess locks. It's actually colored T27 and it's 24 inches. Now if you look up close, it's like a mixture of brown and black, and the curls are a brownish color. The hair was also $40 for the 6 packs, and it comes with a crochet hook and these silver hair jewelry. Oops. And I'm going to crochet the hair on the individual braids that I've already done. These braids are about 2 days old or 3, and it looks like this. And I have 70 individual braids. So I'm about halfway done my hair. I want to show you what it's looking like so far. I'm on the second pack of hair and I'm going to show you an example of how I crochet the hair. So I take the braid I'm working on, the lock I want to use, which is this one, and I open up the loop. Then I put a finger or 2 through it just to hold its place. And I take the crochet hook and I insert it below the start of the braid. I hook it onto the lock and I pull it through like so. Then I open up the loop with a finger or 2 and I grab the lock in the braid and pull it through like so. And I tighten it. Now I'm going to start a little way down the lock and insert the hook into the center of the lock. All the way to the top, and once I'm at the top, I'm going to push it through and grab towards the center or end of the braid and pull it through like that and just tighten and twist so that part of the braid is in the lock. Now I'm going to do the same thing with what's left of the braid. Pull through, pull down, twist a little, and now the braid is completely hidden in the lock. Okay guys, so I'm done with my hair. It took me like 4 hours to crochet the hair, and I have about 2.5 packs left, which isn't enough to do the style again. This is what it's looking like. Hair is very full, but I do like the style. It just looks a little thick, but nothing too crazy. I do like it. The ends of the curls are varying lengths, like this, so they vary in length a little. Nothing too crazy, a couple inches difference, but the hair is nice and it's all right. The hair was very easy to crochet though. Let me just show you up close the curly ends. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any of the type of videos you want to see from me, including locks, braids, wigs, natural hairstyles, anything like that. And thanks for watching.